Good morning, everyone. It's great to be here with you this morning for our ship launching ceremony.
Maguinoo, which was originally named Malasakit, we renamed this HAL 121 to Motor Tanker Maguinoo.
Already the third vessel built and produced by Hermas Shipyard Incorporated. With that said, let us all witness the unveiling of another milestone in the history of Hermas Shipyard Incorporated. Welcome to the launching of MT Maguinoo.
We are the number one in terms of the shipping because hindi pa nila iniisip, ginagawa na natin.
At tayo lang sa buong industriya ang nag-alok ng bagong double hull tanker. At dito nag-umpisa ang pagkakasama natin sa paggawa ng mga bagong barko. At nais namin ipagpatuloy pa ito sa mga darating pa na taon.
This is the first time that this vessel will touch the water. Let's give a round of applause to Maguinoo. Remember that we cannot all do this without the guidance and the blessing of our mighty good God. Thank you very much for your presence. Let us maintain the Malasakit.